We have seen how the quest to the phonemes approach naturally leads to the hypothesis thesis of specialist acoustic signal property detectors at the first state of signal processing, and that these are however hypothetical assumed to function in a way that is similar to the source of neural detectors that have been isolated and empirically investigated in the audience royalty system. It is known that such a detector tend to operate in a parallel with others, than that some are highly specialist for certain properties of acoustic signal frequency or amplitude, but with a slight overlap of the coverage between them, its detector had a characteristic response pattern in the form of a tuning curve, whereby its response bed to stimulus falling within a center of its range of coverage. It's also known that neural detector can be fixed by repeated simulation within speech reception research and experimental program genome has been developed, which permits the investigation of boundary shifting between speech categories as a result of repeated presentation of stimuli from one side or one boundary access in figure 4.8 to hypothetical co-detector are illustrated for the word continuum following for the discussion in course of a Hegel. Let us suppose that the word ranges to which the two detectors are sensitive overlap slightly, with one responsive to voiced stops and the other so responsive to wireless stop. The stimuli falling within the overlap region will activate both detector and perception will depend on which detector is activated more strongly. If however, in short, what detector is fatigued to go by repeated simulation, we simulate within its range, then simulate subsequently falling within its overlap region will be less likely to act, activate the detector to be perceived as white. Okay, that's it.